You might need Ian's magic powers now. There it is right there, isn't that it?
What?
That's just a rock, never mind. It's right there, whatever it is right there. You want the pinpointer? Here. It's on already. Okay, pretty close. Should be right there. It's a rock. Let me see.
It's a rock.
Okay. Let's see. How old?
Can I see?
No.
That was awesome.
Wait.
You got the camera going? Get your pinpointer out, see if you can find that one, whatever that is.
Got it.
There it is.
Quarter.
Ah!
Get down. Hey.
Look for something right in this area.
We're still using my special,
You have to
right?
turn this on when it's up in the air. You can't turn it on when it's near the ground. But there you go. Over here. It's a good one. You got the camera going? It's right in that area. Use your pinpoint to find it. Something hurt my leg. Find anything? Find it?
Bon appetit.
Uh-huh.
We are the best kept secret in the universe.
Okay, try right here, Emma. Let me see. It's a rock. Let's go ahead and save it. I bet it's a silver rock.
Kind of makes you want to cry, doesn't it?
Good.
What are you playing around for? You know what got work to do.
Doo-doo!
You knew that because I think there might be something here. I can't tell what's out there. I don't know what. Nope, it was just that. Nickel or a gold ring? Emma, nickel or gold ring right here? Right there.
Denied.
Pick it up. Okay.
It's in the ground.
Look loose on the ground.
I want to. Found it. Haha.
What is it?
It's a penny.
What year is it?
Nothing else.
That was in the ground.
2008.
Kind of makes you want to cry, doesn't it?
Right here. Stop wasting time over there and come over here.
It's a paper clip.
No, it's not paper clip. Probably a coin under there.
Found it. It's a
What is
quarter.
it? Quarter? Let me see.
Haha.
All right, you get the big prize today.
These guys are professionals. They're the best.
It's the rock.
See, hold on, let me see.
Snap out of it, will you? Nobody said it was going to be easy.
See if you can pinpoint anything on there. Nothing.
Oh, I got something. It's a metal circle. It's not even a whole circle. It's not a...
Never give up. Never surrender.
Okay. Classic bullet sound. You know, clear the rocks out of the way and then we use the pinpoint. See. In that area. You're getting close. Somebody rapid beeping.
Thank you.
Very close. You might as well dig whatever it is because you're very close.
Oh, I got it.
What is it?
Coin.
Cool. What is it?
I have no idea.
It's like a penny. It's an old penny.
Golly, that's beautiful.
Here are a few of our, I guess you'd call them junk finds. The 3 rocks, or actually 4 rocks on the right, they actually set off the detector as well as the pinpointer. Let me show you here. I'm going to show you 3 rocks that we found here metal detecting. Here's 1. Here's 2. And here is 3. These rocks come from an area called Silver Reef. They have a very high silver content in them. At least I believe it's silver that's causing that.